Namaskar. This tree, famous as Bilva or Belfal, a familiar to everyone. It originates all over India. Therefore, it is an easily available tree from the point of view of availability. It is especially a tree beloved by the god Mahadev. Therefore, we all know that Bilva leaves are always offered to Mahadev, or Bilva fruit is always offered. Hence, its availability. If you want leaves, you can get leaves offered in large quantity in any Mahadev temple. It is possible to use them in medicines. Their juice can also be taken in the stomach. That is, from the point of view of availability, this tree or its medicinal uses is easily available. Its ripe fruit is not used specifically because it is dosha karaka. Therefore, unripe fruit and leaf, root are always used, and therefore, even if you decide not to use the ripe fruit while using it, there is no problem. Some properties of this bilva are mentioned. In it, this dry herb is prepared as kaphavathanashak, sangrahi, urine reducing. It has a special place in the use of Mulvadi. Accordingly, it is used in various diseases. Its smell is pleasing to the heart and is dear to the heart. Therefore, it can be easily used in heart diseases. Due to its receptive quality, it works more on the urinary tendency. This reduces the urinary tendency. Therefore, it useful for those who have prameha or what is called diabetes in practice. If you take the juice of its leaves, you can benefit from it. Many people use it. Prameha, which is called diabetes in practice, and heart diseases are often found in the same person. Such people definitely benefit more from this bilva. Apart from this, if arsha means mulvadi, then this is a good medicine for hemorrhoids. And due to its deepak karma, this special karma is done by lighting the fire. Those who have a disease called sangrahini or grahini, and often bilva can be used better for this. And if these are some diseases described in that regards, then it is definitely used better. The science of health, Ayurveda, is based on Indian philosophy. Therefore, astrology in the Indian philosophy definitely has an influence on Ayurveda. If we think in that regards, bilva is a very useful for Virgo and Libra, and therefore bilva is the disease described above, and if then sign is Libra or Virgo, it is certain that it will be used better. Apart from this, if there is a Chitra nakshatra in Virgo and Libra, then it can be used better because bilva is mentioned as the Aradhya of Chitra nakshatra. Therefore, if Chitra nakshatra is Virgo or Libra and they have the above diseases, then it is certain that bilva can be used better for all these diseases. Thank you very much.